The Yes4All wooden Plyo box is the most popular Plyo box on Amazon. I got the 24-inch box around $100, and it's not much cheaper than Rogue or any other popular brand, but you are likely to save money on shipping, assuming you're a Prime member. It comes with about 30 screws and a tiny screwdriver that is completely useless, so plan on throwing that out and using a power screwdriver. The instructions are just a few confusing pictures and no text, so plan on throwing those out as well. Thankfully, putting it together was fairly intuitive. The material is plywood with a smooth finish, and thankfully the pieces fit together and I didn't have to force or trim anything. The assembly took about 40 minutes. The power screwdriver is definitely a must. This would have taken probably twice as long with the regular screwdriver. Now it's time to take her out for a spin. I'm always a little worried that anything I buy on Amazon is going to immediately fall apart on me, but this box was surprisingly sturdy. It shook a little because I was on the grass, but other than that it worked perfectly. The multiple height options are nice, and it feels like it's going to last for the long haul. Overall, for $100, I think this is a great buy, and I'm happy I got it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.